Does the current state of education truly cater to every learner's unique needs? In a world where the thirst for knowledge is insatiable, the traditional one-size-fits-all approach to education seems increasingly obsolete. Enter the era of personalized education, a promising frontier made possible by the game-changing capabilities of Chat GPT. For those who shape minds and mold futures, Chat GPT is more than a tool. It's a powerful ally in crafting a learning experience that is engaging, inclusive, and effective. It's time to explore the potential of this amazing technology. The first step in this journey is understanding what Chat GPT can do. Picture this: complex scientific concepts broken down into bite-sized, easily digestible summaries. This is the magic of Chat GPT. Next, consider the unique learning styles of your learners. No two minds are alike, and Chat GPT can help you cater to them all. Whether you're creating vibrant infographics for visual learners, engaging podcasts for auditory learners, comprehensive articles for those who learn by reading, or interactive simulations for kinesthetic learners, Chat GPT has you covered. The third step takes us into the realm of interactive worksheets and quizzes. With Chat GPT, you can design quizzes that aren't just assessments, but also powerful learning tools. Imagine a dynamic quiz on the Renaissance, where each answer comes with tailored feedback, making the learning process more fascinating and effective. The fourth and final step is all about evolution. The beauty of Chat GPT lies in its capacity to grow and adapt to your educational needs. Regularly update your materials to keep them fresh, relevant, and engaging. For instance, you can easily update a lesson plan on electromagnetism, incorporating the latest research and interactive elements. By embracing the power of Chat GPT, you can transform your educational content into a beacon of personalized learning. This is your opportunity to make an indelible impact on learners around the globe. The future of education is not just personalized, it's limitless. Subscribe for more insights into leveraging AI for personalized learning. Join us in this transformative journey with Chat GPT, and together we'll redefine education.